gustos as in. Wait, hi, Chad. Nasa mo ka din na.
Makagikan.
Dito ko sa gawas, init tayo. Pero, ito. Nakoy favor ba?
Hindi. Pakusgan mo may ay, sure. Ay, hindi ka. Wait lang.
Ang Moderna, lumog ko, speaking of aircon, na solution for that was eco-friendly, na tawag na EMAX. Ito ba rin ito mag-explain mo sa enhancing and maximizing energy efficiency of all my sanitary cooling system? Explain mo sa enhancing and maximizing energy efficiency of optimized adiabatic cooling system. So instead of aircon cap, no, grabe siya ang carbon emission ana. Ang EMAX, eco-friendly siya and biodegradable ang cooling pads. Curious man mo kung saan ito mapabugnaw ang world, pero dili kayo grabe ang carbon emissions. This is the solution. This is the future. So ano mo, EMAX, kay machine siya nga nagpa-cool sa ato ang rooms, pero dili siya mag-use ng carbon emissions, kaya ang i-use kay water vapor. So makatipid siya, dili siya gasto. Also at the same time, makahelp sa students, this is made by students from Masbate. So tara, ako na sila i-explain kung saan dyan ang EMAX.
Go!
EMAX, or Enhancing and Maximizing Energy Efficiency of Optimized Adiabatic Cooling System, is a cooling system invention made by 3 students from Masbate National Comprehensive High School. The 3-member group is composed of Erica Charmaine Francisco, Precious May Capintoy, and Archela Sinadhan. They competed and presented their device in the recently concluded 2024 Division Science and Technology Fair and Robotics Olympics in Masbate, where they won 4th place. The device was created in response to the extreme heat waves that affected both teachers and students in public schools across Masbate. Despite the rise in monthly average temperatures, the Department of Education has not prioritized air conditioning installation in public schools due to budgetary constraints. Hence, they created the said cooling system as explained in this podcast. These findings suggest that abaca fibers offer viable, eco-friendly alternative to traditional cellulose pads for adiabatic cooling system in Philippine schools. Here's an illustration of how the device works. The red arrows represent hot air and it passes through the device with cellulose pads made out of the said biodegradable materials, while the yellowish-brown represents the stored water that evaporates, transforming hot air into cooler air as it passes through the pre-cooling pads, regulating the temperature. The study revealed that the solar-powered battery could operate the exhaust fan and water pump for 8 hours, meaning that the device could be used continuously during class hours.
Wait. Settle down. Settle down mga global warmers. Ato po tipid ato ang mga viewers, ato ang heaters!
Sige, wait sa. Pwede mo balik ka sa pag-convert na heat?
Oh my God, speaking of heat, naka-remember dyan, pag high school na akong grabe ko yung init. Wala mo sa among schools, no? Out of all the classrooms, gusto tayo dyan na ay aircon. Except sa mga faculty rooms. Pero ang mga first students ay gusto ka dyan. If maka-access ka ng mga aircon giver, and a room na na ay aircon giver, wow, very lineage na. Like, you're okay.
Bright or...
Bright dye, work a
Right.
Good.
Kaya mga special science class students ang maka-access.
How about ang mga private schools?
Sila guro ang special.
Yes, ka?
You know, sa like, there's this joke na kanang garage siya sa like, sa ang room kay every time mo mention of like na ay aircon, wala man may aircon, so like ang gino-joke sa kay ay airlock sa ni atong room, guys, so don't worry. So what we mean by airlocks kay like since naman sa 4th floor ang room, which basically means mas kusog ang hangin, di ba? So which is actually good kay dili kaayo may mainitan. So like maka-save na kan energy at the same time like murag dili aircon ka maka
Grabe ka express ang init. Pero, sadly, sikat no, that was 5 years ago. That was 5 years ago. Namarag na kay airlock.
How about you, Mother? Like sa inyong school, I've heard you're from one of the
Let's go!
Hindi ako aircon. Hindi ako
So,
sa duha. Duha na. In one classroom.
Diba imagine? Na-privilege sila Mother to have like katumadag ng aircon. Sila katpot kay, basically lucky sila kay 4th floor na airlock. Pero sadly, that's not the case for everyone. Especially now, nagkainit na yun, no? And naka-remember lang mga nanatigid daw ng rising heat index. So, mga heaters, dira, no?
Yes.
Mga dira, di ka rin yung names. Kaya atin ka sa mga napag-wisyoan ng heat index. But speaking of high school, where Chai and I are from, sa Masbate National Comprehensive High School, na mga students na nag-try o solve ang mga solution, but also at the same time, taking care of the environment. So, ito kung hindi mo ganyan going back, ang EMACS, or known as Enhancing and Maximizing Energy Efficiency of Automized Adiabatic Cooling System. I know, mouthful siya. But let's focus on adiabatic cooling system. So unlike aircons, like Paler and ganihan, ni Kat na nagreklamo mga grabe kay aircon, nga need yun siya as a phenomenon, ang adiabatic cooling system, may contrast siya sa carbon emission na nare-release sa aircon. So how? Diba? Like, how does it happen? So technically, magamit ako ng kuryente ang adiabatic cooling system, pero di ka ayaw pala sa carbon na mainit sa atong aircons. So adiabatic, as a smart person, to inform you guys and kamo, ang adiabatic ay more of like ways siya of regulating temperature sa usa ka room through water vapor. So for example, si Kat ganyan nga, oh my God, grabe ka init. Ang aircon, mabuga siya cold na air. Ang adiabatic cooling system, iyakuha ng hot air, transform niya through cooling pads, which is, kamo kami now, biodegradable cooling pads ang gibuhat sa kanilang mga students. Made out of abaca, bilang ng cafe, abaca fiber, and banana fiber. So unlike commercialized cooling pads, they don't actually need to be thrown away tas dili mo decompose. Kani siya, biodegradable na, pwede pa rin mo siya maswap anytime, and healthy for the environment. So sad kaayo actually na students have to think of ways to solve problems like this na technically dili sila ang cause.
Actually, when you come to think of it, we're sa capitalism na naghihapon, no? If maka-remember mo sa usang ka-rebates na ano kay, iiwan man to sila ng capitalism, diba? Like,
Capitalism.
Like, familiar ba? What does it ring a bell to you guys?
Search that one.
Search.
Okay,
Sa mga
search.
curious.
Sige,
But I feel like Kat can start a conversation about capitalism. Kaya naka-remember ko na tweet mo siya about Ana.
Wala ko makakakuha to.
Kat, i-share yun na.
Actually, you know, ako ang na-tweet last week na ako'y giingon na kani, necessity is a mother of invention. Have you heard it?
Go ahead, guys.
Actually, ako pa na siya na-remember since high school pa. So, basically, that line, kanang necessity is the mother of invention, basically means that something, you can come up with something because, or you can creatively come up with something because of necessity. So, bali, in this case, sa Masbate National High School, they were able to create something na alternative in air conditioners, diba? As we have said earlier. Because, init sa ilang rooms, diba? But when you come to think of it, it's really not on them na need na to i-blame sila, diba? Like, why not i-blame na to kinsa man yung naghimuan ng ay nga nung init man yun. Nga nung there is global warming.
Yeah, like very rooted sa root anak ang problem. Kaya mo lang in a way, di ba, anong ibutang mo na to ang burden for the future, for the students. So that's so
And imagine grade 10 na siya. Sila na mga bata, much younger than us. Also, speaking of capitalism, Paler, di ba naka-mention ko ka last time na it's important that we hold accountable those na ay grabe yun nga scope when it comes to emitting carbon. So, care to share about it? As a filmmaker yourself. Inside! Pero going back, Paler, care to share about how big corporations, you know, really help not in improving environmental conditions, but help in worsening them.
Actually, like, yung sinabi ni Kat, diba, ang pining mga students and marginalized communities, if you look at it in a spectrum, they are just the micro contributors of these, let's say, the global warming itself. But if we look at these big companies, multi-companies, international companies, sila dyan ang mga macro na contributors of the global warming and climate change that we are. And its effect, ang titingnan natin dito is yung effect talaga ng ating mga actions. So these companies, you know, yung pag-init ng carbon emission gases, yung pag-produce ng mga plastics, and all the things that ang nagsasuffer is yung mga minority.
Yes.
Like the student.
Yes.
Can I like share something? Now when I remember, now I recently watched a Netflix documentary. I don't know why more about Mechanical. So basically, electronics and then mga tablets, mga phones nato, computers, and aircon. Ang mga mga company, i-adjust nila, out of, na-adjust sila intention ba na ang product ay ito siya mo last long. So ang consumers mo, so ang tendency na for the consumers, they tend to buy more chocolate.
Meaning, more food, ang ma-pollute.
Yeah, more food ang ma-pollute. So aside sa pag-use mismo sa aircon, no, like grabe na kainit, we also have to take into consideration kung sa like kung sa nila pag-manufacture mismo.
The process.
Okay, especially ang kana ng mga materials, like even sa panis, no matter kung saan na mo pag-recycle, pinidot lang ng mga parts kay recycle. And then included po at mga documents, like documentary, included po dito na kanang ipadala dyan nila ang mga waste, like mga electronic waste sa mga like poor countries like Thailand. Kay ang disassemble anak na mga parts kay ang mga isa lang sa like low wage for that. But mind you, dili na siya healthy yun. Kaya mag-create man ako. Working on mga elements. So, hindi siya, diba?
So, ang global north, grabe yun ang ilang pag-iubos sa
Let's
sa global south. May kailangan na natin sa south, the audacity.
Yeah, like from manufacturing to use, like wala na sila.
And even
They
to that
said,
stage.
yes, na sila iingon dito put na kanang, like as someone, a part of the company na sila na sa company meeting, when they try to like introduce or to like make up na ang ilang concern is like profit, and they never talk about the afterlife of that product. So what do they forget? The moment that you buy it, the moment you buy a phone, the moment that you buy your like, an aircon or something, wala na natin. May na natin
So, mauna ang palahian sa mga nag-develop sa EMAX.
Yeah.
Kaya ang EMAX, guys, it's actually objective. It's not to commercialize schooling systems, but to help public high school classrooms, not just in Masbate, but in the whole country. Hopefully, if it gets funded soon, because it would be really helpful. Kasi it's not that expensive, but instead of having to emit that much carbon emissions, at the same time, yeah, ma-achieve ang goal nga dili makita ng mga bata and dili ma-stress pareho ni Kat.
So it's created by the people for
the people.
They can integrate it yung sa mga school plans, diba? I mean, kung nakaya nila, why not hindi makaya nila mag-school?
Oo.
Diba? So, it's
And
very
adopt
efficient.
siya.
Yes.
So hopefully, we get to share our support for the students as well. You guys can visit the Masbate National Comprehensive High School's National Science Program Facebook page, wherein they showcase the works of students from Masbate City, and most of them really advocate for environmental solutions. So hopefully our haters will be able to visit the Facebook page and drop some likes and love for the students. So see you on our next heated discussion.